Hey guys, here's a great website if you want to go out and start doing some market research on your cryptos and figure out what you might want to invest in. This website, coinmarketcap.com, provides a ton of detail to allow you to go in and research your cryptos. To start off with, up here at the top, they kind of give you some basic information. It tells you there's 1,977 cryptocurrencies currently listed here. There's 14,111 markets that they're traded on. They'll show you that. We'll get to that in a minute. The market cap of all these cryptos is 201 billion, which is like a huge increase just over the last couple of years. This volume figure is kind of giving you an indication what kind of volume is being traded, but I don't know. I think some of that's kind of bogus because some of these exchanges, you really got to watch out for these exchanges. Some of them, they're just swapping it back and forth, and I'm not so sure how much of that's really legitimate trading. Sounds like there may be some of this trading going on. It's similar to high-frequency trading now, so I wouldn't put too much confidence in that number, but anyway, it's up there. Bitcoin dominance, this kind of gives you an indication of how strong Bitcoin is right now. It's back above the 50% mark. It's been below for a while, and like there, you can click on that and you can see the chart of where Bitcoin's been, where it's going, and its dominance, and the other cryptos that are coming in. And you can see by this color chart here, Ethereum's number 2. And here's another coin in here right now in there that's coming in. That might even be Ripple. Huh, that's interesting. Okay, well, Ripple's not one of my favorites, but I'm not giving any type of trading advice here. We're just offering all of this as education so you can get started here and go in and start learning all about your cryptos, and you start doing your own homework to figure out which one of these you want to invest in. But anyway, let's go back here to the main cryptocurrency page and get started analyzing all of this. Okay, Bitcoin, as you can see here, is on top. It's the number one coin. It has the largest market cap, 111 billion. In my opinion, I still think this is probably one of the coins you need to at least have some of in your portfolio. Again, I'm not offering any type of trading advice. I think in the future it's going to be still one of the coins that's going to be one that you want to have some part of, because everything seems to be dictated by Bitcoin's price here in these markets. Bitcoin went way up here at the end of last year in December to almost $20,000 US dollars a coin. Of course, everything else in these charts followed it. Now, not all of them mirrored it straight up and down, but everybody pretty much rose up when Bitcoin rose up, and everybody pretty much fell on the downside when Bitcoin started coming back down. So Bitcoin is the dominant coin, and right now it seems to be the one that seems to be driving everything in the market. Okay, and as you can see on this chart here, you could see it has a price right now, 64.26. And I don't know if that's on the rise up, if it's on the rise down, or it's heading lower or what. But anyway, that's another thing you can get off of these CoinMarketCap pages. What you can do is you can also come in here and you can look at, see what exchanges it's being traded on. So let's say you click on Bitcoin here. Let's go and open up the Bitcoin window again. Okay, you want to see what markets are Bitcoin's currently being traded on, or any crypto for that matter. You could go in here to these markets and you can see every exchange that is changing them, and every exchange that's showing the volumes. And this is why I say you got to be a little suspect here. Look at these volumes on Bit4X and BitMEX. I question whether or not any of that's really legit, because there's only 21 million Bitcoins and 18 million of them are already out. They're trading 3 million Bitcoins in a day. I don't buy that. So do your own research. Oh, look at this. It does say derivatives. It doesn't say Bitcoin. So that explains that right there. But I still don't buy this one at 2.7. They're saying that's legit. I don't buy that. Anyway, you can go through here and you can see historical data on this. And you can see where it's been, the pricing. And of course, then if you scroll down here a little further, you should be able to find the chart. Well, the chart's not there. Okay. It'll make me look bad here, but anyway. Okay. It's going to make a liar out of me. There is a chart. I just didn't find it on that round, so we'll have to go back in here. Let's come in here and look at it off the price page. The price link. Oh, no wonder. I clicked on the wrong button. No wonder. Hello. Not even doing this right, so there you go. There's the chart. And then you can add in price in US dollars. And you can see it graphed that way. Most of the time it loads all of these all at once. Market cap, price US dollars. It'll give you all 4 charts at one time. So you can go in here and actually start finding out what you need to know, especially if you're trying to trade a crypto that maybe is a little harder to trade. You may want to come in here and do some analysis. Let's let this page load. I guess my internet here is extremely slow because it is taking forever to load. Okay. And Monero, huh? It's back in the top 10 again. Okay. That's interesting. Neo's up to number 15. Wow. Okay. Let's get down here a little further and let's analyze a coin that's below down here. Okay, say you wanted, this is an example only, say you want to trade MaidSafe coin. Where on earth can I buy MaidSafe? Well, let's go in here and look. Let's find out where the markets are at for MaidSafe. Okay, you click on the markets. Okay, here is all of the exchanges right now that are trading MaidSafe. Looks like HitBTC is the top one. They got the top 3 sources of trades. Poloniex looks like 4. Cryptovia, Poloniex, OpenLedger. And if you go into my course and you get some of this information, I show you a lot of other sources where you can go out and get some trading tools, so you don't necessarily have to use an exchange, because I'm not a big fan of leaving anything on an exchange, let alone, if you can, you may want to purchase some of these off exchange. And I show you how to do a lot of that through the Easy Bitcoin for Beginners course. So if you're not familiar with that, go over to the website at easycryptocurrency.com and you can learn more about that. But try and give you guys some basic tools here just so you can start understanding where you can find out a lot of this information that getting started here in the crypto market. Wow, this internet connection is really slow. And I will caution you on all of these cryptos, after you get basically below a certain point, you're going to find out it's probably going to be very, very hard to trade these coins, because there's probably not much of a market. And if you do either try and go in here and buy them or sell them, you may move the whole entire, like this Horizon coin. Again, just an example. There's only 4 million circulating supply. You try and go in there and buy any of that, I bet you're going to move the market just trying to buy them. So this website is a world of information. So go in here and check it out. And if you need more information, go over to my site and learn about the Easy Bitcoin for Beginners and get started that way. I'll help guide you through all the landmines and pitfalls of getting started here in the cryptocurrency markets. So, oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention one other thing. If you want to do some research, there's a good guy out there in the crypto market. His name's Cliff High, and he's helping a lot of crypto traders at least get started by pointing you at least in the right direction of maybe doing some research as well. His website is halfpasthuman.com, And you may want to go over there and check out his resources, because he offers a lot of cryptocurrency trading ideas on where you may want to invest for the future. He gives you a lot of long-term strategy, a lot of long-term forecasting, and he does it with what he calls a web bot. So if you're interested in something like that, you may want to go over to his site and check it out. Thanks. We'll see you guys in the next video.